Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by assessing risks and legality. Know that tampering with GPS can violate laws or void warranties, so confirm you own the scooter and verify any lease or fleet constraints. Once done, inspect only user-facing options first, phone app permissions, paired devices, and privacy modes. Make sure to document serial numbers and take photos before any change. If the GPS is a sealed module, stop and contact the manufacturer or authorized service. Do not attempt hardware removal yourself. Next, focus on non-destructive methods. Disable location and tracking in the official app and revoke location permissions from your phone. This prevents most remote tracking without touching hardware. Once done, unlink accounts and remove any paired trackers or telematics subscriptions through the vendor portal. If the device still transmits, make sure you've fully deregistered it with the manufacturer. For physical or internal GPS modules, arrange service with an authorized technician rather than attempting internal modifications yourself. Finish by documenting everything. Get written confirmation of deregistration or service, backup settings, and perform a controlled test ride in a safe area to verify behavior. Once done, make sure firmware and apps are updated to avoid unintended reconnects. If the scooter fails to start, shows errors, or still reports location, stop and contact authorized support. Do not continue tinkering. Remember, working with professionals protects safety, legal standing, and preserves resale value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.